This is Anna.
Coming!
Anna loves cooking and hanging out with her friends.
Hi, Anna.
Oh, hi, Steve.
I found that place you asked me about.
Oh, Steve, thanks so much.
But even the simple stuff in life doesn't always go as planned.
Oh, no, the door!
Don't worry, I'm calling for help. Hello? 45 minutes? What? Okay. I'll go get some help. The car! The house! Ah!
Love cooking? Love your friends? Prime Alert Locksmith. We're there whenever you need us, in less than 30 minutes. Prime Alert. Visit us online at thelondonlocksmiths.co.uk.